Home paint guns can range anywhere from hundreds to thousands of dollars, which I think is way more than I want to spend, especially if I'm only doing a couple little projects. So what I want to know is, can I buy an inexpensive automotive paint gun, or less than $100, and get it to work on drywall, on primer for drywall for houses, or for painting siding outside and things of that nature. Fortunately, I don't even have to spend less than $100 on this, because Vevor sent me this product to demonstrate, and it has 3 different guns, and I'm going to try it out and see if I can make it work on something other than automotive. I know it'll work on automotive. Let's find out if it'll work on house projects. This is an automotive sprayer that Vevor sent me, but I'm trying it with PVA primer, which is like a basic house primer. So here we go. It took a little bit of adjusting the settings to get this thing spraying pretty good. Basically, I had it set for about 35 psi. I think normally these guns spray at about 30 psi with a thinner automotive paint. But later when I fiddled with it, it seemed like 40 psi worked even better, and I had the paint flow all the way up. For this entire video, I was using the largest of the 3 in this kit, which is a 1.8 on the tip. This one is a 1.4, and this little tiny cute one is just a 1. I think that's a millimeter is what it, I don't even know. 1 millimeter on the opening on the tip. So there you go. I was surprised that it did as well as it did with house primer. I know these things are made for automotive and for maybe oil-based or water-based car paints, basically, which is a lot thinner. I will mention that I diluted my paint by about 10% water. That helped it flow a bit. Thanks, Vevor, for sending me these things to try out. They were pretty cool. And I have a lot more stuff I need to paint. I got some siding that you'll see this on in the future project. I have an apartment, and I think I'm just going to go ahead and paint all the drywall with this gun. I don't see why not. It seems just fine. And hopefully I'll spray some little tools. I got some pipe wrenches and stuff like that too that I'm working on. So look for that in upcoming videos. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to check Vevor out. I'll leave links for this in the description, as well as the current price as of the posting of the video. And check them out. Thanks for watching.